struggles with the elections in Bihar particularly, and the Delhi explosion is also something that India could find a topic or an avenue to blame Pakistan. So, do you think, in your opinion, is there any potential threat? Like India is again a potential threat to Pakistan?
Um, so as far as the elections are concerned, Modi is someone who is very power hungry, who will try every avenue to secure his re-election in these upcoming elections. And I think his number one tactic is always to blame Pakistan, whether it's for foreign affairs or domestic affairs. We've seen that in Pahalgam, and we're seeing it now in the Red Fort attack, in which he has invoked the anti-terror law, and he has said that the perpetrators will not be spared. It's a pretty direct call, and it's quite a clear indication as to what he's referring to. He's trying to bring Pakistan into it again. So, in my opinion, yes, Pakistan should not let their guard down, and they should always be alert um, with the in respect to threats from India. But at the same time, we are blessed to have incredible and valiant forces who defend us constantly. So we should be alert, but I would not be worried personally.
So you must have heard regarding these irresponsible statements made by the Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa regarding the mosques and the security personnel of Pakistan. As a part of the young generation of Pakistan, what is your opinion regarding these statements?
देखिए, मैं समझता हूँ कि अभी करंटली जो पाक अफ़गान वार चल रही है, तो इस तरह की सिचुएशन में एक ऐसे गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल को उनको ऐसे स्टेटमेंट नहीं देनी चाहिए थी कि आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के ख़िलाफ़, क्योंकि वो हमारे हिफाजत करती है नेशनल बॉर्डर्स की। और दूसरी बात ये है कि आउटर फोर्सेस को भी इस बात से मौका मिल जाता है कि या तो अगर प्रोविंशियल ऑटोनॉमी है तो वो बैरूनी ताकतों को मौका मिल जाता है मुल्क में मुदाखलत करने की। सो ये नहीं होनी चाहिए थी।
The current chaos and the current critical circumstances of Pakistan, from which Pakistan is undergoing, what do you think that the appointment of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir as the Chief of Defence Forces is a good decision or not?
According to my opinion, I think the amendments that took place of 243, in which the all commands are going to be in the hands of Chief of Army Staff, a unified command of having all three forces, our army, naval, and air force, with some additional forces like rocket and others appointments. They are in the hands of the army chiefs, or according to our present situations, like we are surrounded by many tense situations, like at the borders of the Afghanistan, or at the same side with India, and also internally some stability. So focusing on these tense situations, I think that this appointment is unifying the forces uh, of armed forces in the hands of army chief is good. So by this appointment, we can make a quick decision about anything happened. For example, if they launch an attack, like they are again blaming Pakistan for the Delhi invasions that took place recently. So I think that this is a good appointment. By it, a communication gap is filled, and a quick response, and with no wastage of the time, a quick decision making can be made by our chief of army staff. By this appointment, has them unifying armed forces, and making chief of army staff as the chief of all armed forces.
So the recent negotiations with Afghanistan has been stalemated, and it is like perceived in a way that Afghanistan is doing this on India's behest. So what do you think, because of the stalemate of these negotiations between Afghanistan and Pakistan, if Afghanistan takes any sort of hostile action against the forces of Pakistan or against the state of Pakistan, what sort of response should Pakistan armed forces and Pakistan as a nation shall give to Afghanistan?
As a Pakistan, the first point of view is that the state is higher than everything. पाकिस्तान की फ़ौज के लिए स्टेट सबसे आगे है। अगर उसकी स्टेट पे कभी भी कोई हमला करेगा तो ज़ाहिर बात है उसको जवाब तो देना पड़ेगा। और इंडिया जो उनसे इस चीज़ का वो फ़ायदा उठा रहा है, जो भी हमारे इंटरनल क्लैशेस चल रहे हैं अफगानिस्तान के साथ, तो वो एक ज़ाहिर बात एक प्रॉक्सी के तौर पे उन्हें यूज़ कर रहा है, उन्हें फंडिंग कर रहा है, क्योंकि हमने बहुत जाने अपने शहीदों की खो दिए हैं। बहुत से कैप्टन, एक आपको पता ऑफिसर बहुत मुश्किल से बनता है, अगर हमने इतने ऑफिसर जो उनसे अपने वो इस मादरे वतन पे कुर्बान हुए हैं, तो इसलिए अब पाकिस्तान की फ़ौज के लिए और ज़्यादा इस बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकते वो। तो ये टेबल टॉक बेस्ट तरीका, अगर वो कोई एक्शन लेते हैं तो फिर ज़ाहिर बात है उनको रिवेंज लेना पड़ेगा हमें।
So, as it is apparent that the young generation is of the view that Afghanistan, as a people, as a nation, they are our brothers and sisters. But when it comes to hostile action or taking any action against the integrity and dignity of the people of Pakistan, a befitting reply would be given by the brave and valiant forces of Pakistan.